Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Code and Cloud. Today we are going to see how we can do an app registration in Azure. Let's get started.
Before any application can access Azure resources, Azure needs to know who the application is. Just like users must sign in before accessing services, applications also need an identity. Without this identity, Azure will not allow access to any resource. Let's start with a simple scenario. A user works with different applications such as web apps, mobile apps, or automation scripts. These applications often need to connect to Azure services like storage accounts, databases, or APIs. Now imagine one of these applications tries to directly access Azure resources. Azure immediately blocks the request. This happens because Azure does not know who the application is. Unlike users, applications do not have usernames or passwords. So Azure needs a secure and reliable way to identify applications and decide whether they can be trusted. This is where app registration comes in. App registration is like an ID card for your application. When you register an application in Azure, you are telling Azure, this application belongs to me, and I want it to access Azure resources securely. After registering an application, Azure provides important identity details such as the application ID, the tenant ID, and optionally, a client secret or certificate. These details uniquely identify the application within Azure.
So guys, we saw that why app registration is really important. It is needed to connect from any of the application to Azure resources. Now we will do the app registration on the portal. Let's see how it can be done. Now let's do app registration on Azure portal. Before going there, I'll search something on the Google app registration in Azure. I always prefer Microsoft official documentation. You will see the link here. Scroll little down. You will see the steps are already given here. Okay, so I'll follow the same steps. I'll go to the Azure portal. I'm just selecting app registration, searching it here. App registration. There's a new registration. I'm choosing the first option, and this has to be chosen as per the project requirement, and clicking it here. Okay, let me give the name sp underscore code and cloud um, user register. Okay, your app registration is done. Now you need a certificate and secret. Okay, come here, new client secret. I'll say to access Azure resource. There's an expiry given, so you choose any of this, but I'm just choosing 180. Add. Okay. And once this secret is created, make sure you copy this. Otherwise, when you refresh this page, it will be gone. So copy this, save it somewhere. Okay. And when you try to connect any of the application and you want to connect with Azure resources, you require this client ID. This is needed. You require this tenant ID. Okay, and you will need this secret. So basically you have to save this value somewhere so that whenever it is needed you can utilize it. Tenant ID, client ID, and this secret. Your app registration is done. As I mentioned that when you refresh this value will be gone. So we'll see home, search for this, go to this certificate secret. See, it is encrypted now, so you will not find it. If you do not save it, you have to create it again. So this is how you can do a app registration. This is all in this video. Thank you very much. So guys, how easily we have done the app registration. If you have learned something today, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. That's it for today. Thank you very much.